Notion Team Workspace app. The pros, the cons. If your team struggles with organization and productivity, Notion might sound like the perfect solution. But is it really the ultimate workspace tool? Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Notion integrates seamlessly with the already powerful Notion Workspace. Teams can generate notes, draft documents, create task lists, and even brainstorm ideas directly within Pages. One standout feature is its assisted writing, which helps summarize long documents, convert notes into action items, or even rewrite content for clarity. Companies report saving hours per week by letting the handle repetitive tasks. Another advantage is flexibility. Notion lets teams customize workflows with databases, calendars, and Kanban boards, so suggestions fit right into your existing system. However, there are drawbacks. First, Notion can be inconsistent. Some users find that the produces vague or generic suggestions requiring manual editing. Another issue is cost. The add-on can be expensive for large teams. There's also a learning curve. While Notion itself is powerful, setting up complex workflows that maximize efficiency can take time and experimentation. The surprising truth about Notion is that it excels when paired with structured prompts. Vague instructions often yield weak results, so teams need to learn how to communicate effectively with the to get the most value. In conclusion, Notion Team Workspace is a game changer for teams looking to combine organization and powered productivity. It can reduce repetitive work, help manage complex projects, and even spark creative ideas. But it's not flawless. It requires thoughtful setup, careful prompting, and some human oversight. For teams ready to invest the effort, it can be a huge productivity boost. For others, smaller or simpler tools might be more practical.